So today we will see a problem. It's called three divisible pairs. So what we have to do is we will be given a set of numbers and we have to find all the unique pairs which are divisible by its sum by 3. So we have to do it in linear time or most probably O of n log n, but we can do it in linear time. So this problem was uh, thought by my friend. So the solution is thought by my friend. His name is Shaunak, and this is not my solution though, but he has done it in linear time. So I will show you the solution. So firstly we will take the number of elements of the array and we will initialize a three element array by 0 0 0, and we will take each element, and if it is divisible by 3, if n% 3 equal to 0, then we will increment the first element of the three element array, and if the remainder is 1, so we will increment the second element of the three dimensional array of the three element array, sorry, and if the remainder is 2, we will increase the third element of the three element array, and we have to print the product of first element into first element minus 1 by 2, which is actually taking the combinations of the elements found which is divisible by 3 and taking it in pairs, and for if it is if the remainder is 1 or if the remainder is 2, then we can find that there will be m into n elements in the array. So this logic was developed by my friend, and it solves this problem in linear time, and it is also accepted by the CS Academy judge. So we are testing it, and we will give the input like this, and it's somewhat wrong, so we have to change this. We have to give this some brackets. So I am dry running this code from scratch without any preparation. So my friend just told me the logic and I am doing it. Now what we have to do is we will see if it is working or not. We are compiling it and it's still not working. So we have to initialize it, the array, which I have forgotten to initialize since it may have garbage value. Then after that, let's see. Yeah, the first output is probably okay. Let's check it. Yep, it's okay. Now we will give the second input and see the output, it is okay, and we will give the third input and check the output, it is also okay. So now it is time to submit that. We will firstly check the input, that is the example input, and if it is okay, then we will submit it. So we are checking the example input test cases, and the output has been found okay. So now we have to submit it for getting the real grade for many test cases from the judge. So our algorithm is somewhat correct, but some test cases are too long, so we have to make it from int to long. So we have got 80. So after a couple minutes of thinking, I found that we have to change the data type, and we have to add some condition. So the condition is, it may happen that there are no element present which are actually divisible by 3. So for making it divisible by 3, we have to make sure that ARR of 0 is greater than 1, and it may also happen that error of 0 is less than 1, so we will only give the product of error 1 into error 2. So now let's submit this. Hopefully this will be correct, so no need to check the run examples format because it will be correct. And submitting it, and so the grader has accepted it and the score is 10 by 10. So this is it. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more.